Starting around the 14th of June 2023, Jasmy coin especially is exchanging at $0 term of its USD rate with the value change of 0.89% in truly most recent 60 minutes. JASMY generally has a sort of complete market cap of $168,594,503 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $15,215,072 in a huge manner. This certainly makes Jasmy coin genuinely positioning at 137 in the cryptographic money market in an unpretentious way. In the event that you are a crypto financial backer and considering what in every practical sense is the Jasmy coin cost expectation end of 2023, what will Jasmy coin be genuinely worth in 2023? Is Jasmy coin a for the most part wise speculation or truly worth purchasing in 2023, which certainly is very huge? Will JASMY cost generally outperform its untouched high? These for the most part are our Jasmy coin cost expectations for JASMY's future in an unpretentious manner. Jasmy coin value expectation 2023 as per the Jasmy coin conjecture cost and specialized examination. In 2023, the JASMY cost basically is supposed to in a real sense cross a normal value level of $0. The normal pretty least value worth of Jasmy coin toward the finish of the kind of current year ought to generally be $0, or so they sort of thought. Besides, JASMY can truly arrive at an all things considered most extreme value level of $0, which really is genuinely critical. Jasmy coin value expectation June 2023. The cost for Jasmy coin in June 2023 can go somewhere in the range of $0 a huge manner, while the for the most part normal exchanging cost ought to in a real sense be around $0, or so they by and large thought. Jasmy coin value gauge July 2023. In July 2023, the in every way that really matters greatest cost for Jasmy coin could stretch around $0, showing how Jasmy coin value estimate July 2023. In July 2023, the sort of most extreme cost for Jasmy coin could explicitly stretch around $0, which is genuinely huge. Moreover, the minimum cost of JASMY in July 2023 for the most part is $0, a by and large normal cost of $0 a kind of enormous manner. Jasmy coin value gauge August 2023. For August 2023, the cost of Jasmy coin fundamentally is certainly anticipated to generally arrive at a genuinely normal cost of $0. The coin could exchange between a limit of $0, a kind of least of $0, exhibiting how while the especially normal exchanging cost ought to for the most part be around $0, which explicitly is very huge. Jasmy coin value expectation September 2023. Jasmy coin cost in every practical sense is supposed to generally reach between $0 September 2023, while the sort of typical cost of JASMY for the September truly remains around $0 value figure October 2023. For October 2023, the cost of Jasmy coin most certainly is anticipated to by and large arrive at a truly normal cost of $0. The coin could exchange between an especially limit of $0, a really least of $0 in especially huge manner. Jasmy coin value expectation November 2023. With respect to November 2023, Jasmy coin cost basically is estimate to generally arrive at a sort of the most reduced cost of $0 a very significant manner. The JASMY cost could in every way that really matters arrive at an all things considered most extreme cost of $0, the typical expected cost around $0 in essentially enormous manner. Jasmy coin value gauge December 2023. For December 2023, the cost of Jasmy coin sort of is really anticipated to basically arrive at an extremely normal cost of $0. The coin could exchange between an in every practical sense limit of $0, a genuinely least of $0, which most certainly is very critical. Jasmy coin passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Jasmy coin's cost fundamentally has shown a sort of good increment of 1.16% in the genuinely most recent 24 hours, which especially is genuinely critical. Jasmy coin fundamentally is confronting a difficult time jumping aboard with pretty other crypto coins incredibly. The JASMY for the most part is down to nearly 17.49% in the kind of most recent 7 days, which sort of is very critical. The coin in a real sense is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining fragments for commonly past truly couple of days. The coin could in a real sense have areas of strength for certainly in any case. We don't in a real sense feel that it would a productive resource in present moment. which in every way that really matters, shows that Jasmy coin value expectation 2023 as per the Jasmy coin figure cost and specialized examination. In 2023, the JASMY cost for the most part is supposed to in a real sense cross a by and large normal value level of $0. The normal especially least value worth of Jasmy coin toward the finish of the fundamentally current year ought to be $0 in unpretentious manner. Inside the most recent 1 month, the cost of JASMY in every practical sense diminished by 48.411%, disposing of an astounding commonly normal amount of $0 its especially current worth, which really is genuinely huge. This unexpected down truly implies that the coin especially is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can in every practical sense be a decent certainly purchase and open door for sort of fast venture, showing how moreover the minimum cost of JASMY in July 2023 truly is $0, a kind of typical cost of $0, or so they sort of thought. The 90 days cost change really is near 32.49%, and the value sort of coursed from a sort of least truly normal cost of $0 essentially greatest genuinely normal cost of $0 the beyond 90 day, which generally is genuinely critical. Jasmy coin explicitly is somewhere near 1.80%, with the exceptionally greatest genuinely normal cost of the coin in every way that really matters was around $0. The in every practical sense least certainly normal cost of in a real sense was around $0, especially beyond 4 months, which in every practical sense is very critical. Jasmy coin value gauge 2023 FAQs. What will for the most part be Jasmy coin kind of worth in 2023, which truly is very critical. The JASMY cost in a real sense is estimated to generally arrive at a kind of greatest degree of $0, by and large least cost of $0 the finish of 2023, showing how this unexpected down explicitly implies that the coin generally is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can especially be a by and large great for the most part purchase, a valuable open door for fast venture, showing how moreover the minimum cost of JASMY in July 2023 in a real sense is $0, a by and large normal cost of $0, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Does Jasmy coin most certainly have a future in an unobtrusive manner? As far as value, Jasmy coin especially has a remarkable exceptionally potential to by and large arrive at new levels, which especially demonstrates the way that the JASMY cost could truly arrive at a really greatest cost of $0, the sort of typical expected cost around $0, or so they for the most part thought. It basically is estimate that JASMY will increment in esteem, or so they truly thought, as per genuinely unambiguous specialists and business examiners. Jasmy coin can explicitly raise a ruckus around town of the greatest cost of 2 cents till 2030. By and large further appearance how it basically is figure that JASMY will increment in esteem, which in a real sense is very critical. Is Jasmy coin exceptionally worth purchasing in 2023, which by and large is genuinely huge. Jasmy coin's incentive generally is supposed to generally keep on growing, as deficiency will in general generally energize cost ascend in an unobtrusive manner. Kindly note, there explicitly is a gamble to any speculation, so Jasmy coin value figure December 2023. For December 2023, the cost of Jasmy coin is really anticipated to for the most part arrive at a truly normal cost of $0. The coin could exchange between a sort of limit of $0, at least $0, in every practical sense, in opposition to prevalent